A COVID vaccine could be available for children under the age of 5 by the end of the month. According to the Washington Post, Pfizer is expected to submit an emergency use authorization request to the FDA as soon as today for its 2-shot COVID vaccine. This comes after the company added a 3rd dose to its clinical trial, saying 2 doses did not provide a strong enough immune response for children between 6 months and 5 years old.
Previously, we had data showing that the childhood vaccine for 6 months to 4 years wasn't as protective against infection as the adult vaccine. That's the reason why they pushed it out and asked for that 3rd dose.
In response to the report, Pfizer tells NBC News at this time, we have not filed a submission and we're continuing to collect and analyze data from both 2 and 3 doses in our younger age cohort. Kids between 5 and 11 are already eligible for Pfizer's COVID vaccine, and just over a quarter have received 1 dose. While still high, new COVID cases in children are declining, falling to about 800,000 new infections recorded last week. That's nearly a quarter of all reported cases in the U.S.
We're still at a really high level of hospitalizations and daily deaths, but there's going to be a rapid decline from that. We are rapidly approaching the definition of what an endemic respiratory disease looks like.
Meanwhile, New York City's mayor is reminding municipal employees, including police officers, they'll be fired unless they're vaccinated by the end of next week.
The worst thing I can do is to state that here's a rule that we're requiring of New Yorkers and then change that. Then what about all those other New Yorkers that follow the rule? That's the problem.
Other cities are changing their COVID safety policies. Starting today, San Francisco is loosening its mask rules, but only for people who are fully vaccinated and boosted. In Denver, masks won't be required inside businesses and indoor public spaces by the end of the week.
Denver will not be extending our public health order.
All right, so Gabe, you mentioned that the vaccination rate among kids between 5 and 11 is really low. It's, I think, 28% for 1 dose. So how are officials hoping to convince parents to vaccinate their even younger kids?
Well, Hoda, the reason for that low rate may be that some parents have been susceptible to vaccine misinformation, and some may believe that the virus really doesn't affect kids. But the CDC has released data that in major cities, virtually all of the children who became seriously ill were not fully vaccinated. So public officials hope to double down on awareness campaigns, Hoda.
All right. Thank you, Gabe Gutierrez, for us. Thank you.
Hey, thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Find your favorite recipes, celebrity interviews, uplifting stories, shop our favorite deals, and so much more with the Today app. Download it now.